Materials have changed the course of civilization. Humanity's progress accelerated at the Bronze Age, the Iron Age, the Age of Plastics, and is now inflecting again with the advent of additively manufactured plastics. NEXA3D provides the ecosystem which enables 3D printing to be used in production applications. Materials play a key role in shaping the world. They must meet structural demands, survive harsh environments, and build quickly and affordably. NEXA3D has partnered with the best material compounders in the world to offer solutions for every application and seamlessly integrates material characteristics with hardware and software to meet unique application requirements. Everything starts with NEXA-X, NEXA3D's file preparation software, which streamlines file preparation using artificial intelligence to ensure productivity is optimized for the application. The NXE400 photopolymer printer utilizes NEXA3D's unique LSPC technology to provide the highest productivity and lowest production cost in its class. Cognitive controllers monitor build quality with multiple data streams. Everlast membrane technology ensures days of uninterrupted printing. NEXA3D combines high-performance photoplastics, a highly productive hardware platform, and intelligent software to accelerate additive manufacturing.